Imagine your body as a fortress constantly under attack by invaders like bacteria and viruses. The immune response is your defense system. The immune response is how your body detects, fights, and remembers these invaders to keep you healthy. Step 1 is recognizing the invader, which is the antigen. First, the immune system identifies something foreign. This is called an antigen. Think of it as the invader's ID card. Step 2. Activating the army. Special cells called lymphocytes, T cells and B cells are on patrol. When they recognize the antigen, they multiply in a process called clonal selection. These cells make copies of themselves in a process called clonal expansion. Now the immune army is ready. Step 3. There are two types of response that you need to know. The first one is cell-mediated response. This is led by T cells. They release chemicals called cytokines to rally the troops and destroy infected cells directly. Some T cells even release perforin, a protein that punches holes in infected cells. The second type of response that you need to know is humoral response. Meanwhile, B cells create antibodies. These proteins tag invaders, making them easier to destroy. But first, we're going to dive deeper into the types of T lymphocytes. First is helper T cells. Helper T cells are the commanders of the immune system. They release cytokines to signal and activate other immune cells like B cells and macrophages. Second type is cytotoxic T cells. Cytotoxic T cells are the soldiers. They directly attack and destroy infected or cancerous cells by releasing perforin and other toxic proteins. Memory T cells stick around after the battle, ready to respond faster and stronger if the same invader comes back. Now we're going to look at types of B lymphocytes in detail. Plasma cells are activated B cells that produce antibodies. These antibodies neutralize invaders or mark them for destruction, as we saw earlier. Memory B cells remember the invader and ensure a quicker response during future infections. The first time your body encounters an invader, it takes time to mount a defense. This is the primary response. But next time, your immune system remembers. This faster, stronger defense is the secondary response. It's why vaccines work. From antigens to cytokines, your immune system is an amazing network of cells and proteins working together to keep you safe, and that's the glory of the immune response.